Canva is a free design tool suitable for beginners and professionals. Log into Canva and access the dashboard with various design formats. Choose an Instagram post template to start designing. Select a ready-made template to load it onto your canvas. Edit text boxes to change font, size, color, or message. Canva offers thousands of free fonts to choose from. Drag and drop elements like shapes, lines, and icons into the canvas. Use the Uploads tab to add personal images or logos. Maintain a consistent color palette and font pairing for a clean design. Canva's Styles tab offers pre-made color combos and font pairings. Layer elements by right-clicking to send to back or bring forward. Animate text or pages with effects like fade, pop, or slide. Download your design in formats like PNG, PDF, or MP4. Use Canva's smart guides to align and center elements effectively. Name your file correctly for easy organization. You can create professional designs with no prior design experience. Explore Canva's extensive features to boost confidence in design. Experiment with templates to enhance your design skills. Like, comment, and subscribe for more design tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.